What did you just order?
A lot of poop.
Good morning! It is a beautiful, hopefully, not as sunny and warm day out as yesterday, but it is beautiful. I am getting some lunch ready. Derek and I are going to go to Animal Kingdom today again and try some animal poop. So if you want to see Derek and I eat animal poop, then keep watching this vlog. But Derek just ran to the post office. I'm making us some peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, and then we're gonna get going. Hello! The things that we do for you guys. We are soaking wet. You probably can't really tell.
Yeah, no, we kind of dried off on the tram.
Yeah, if you look at the back of Derek, you can see the different colors on him. But we got out of the car and got to the tram, and it started pouring. And then the tram left us. They only waited for like 5 seconds. So we were walking in the pouring down rain for like 2 minutes and got soaked. But we are here nonetheless, and we are going to have fun.
Hey guys.
Wait, where am I?
Who knows? So we are on my life's mission to, yeah, it has been my life's mission to try animal poo.
What? You didn't tell me that. I would have rethought this whole marriage thing if I had known that was your life's mission.
That is the goal today. Today we're on the hunt and we're going to eat animal poo.
Animal poo?
Yep.
No.
Yes.
I didn't sign up for this.
I did. Bye. I'm going to go have it. Where did we make it? Africa!
What did you just order?
A lot of poop. Ew. I thought I was talking about it. So, I don't know, I don't remember what's what.
This is giraffe. I don't remember what I think this is hippo. I don't know.
Stop touching the poo.
That or that.
That's gross. Go wash your hands.
Yeah, so we have hippo,
Tamarin Poo, Giraffe Poo, and elephant Poo. Which one are we trying first?
I'm gonna try the giraffe one first.
Okay.
Hey Dad, I'm eating poop.
Good poo?
In Africa, you don't even have to go to the grocery store. Just go around and eat some poop. Good poop?
Good poop.
Which poop is this?
This is Tamarin dung.
Tamarin dung.
Dung.
No? Not good? Tamarin
better.
Really is bad?
It's get better. I don't know, it's a little weird.
Let me try it. Not as good as giraffe poop. Close. Not as good.
So stick to the safari and find a giraffe.
Yeah. What is this one? Elephant?
It's an elephant patty.
Just bite it. Okay, let me try the elephant patty.
That's the best. Skip the giraffe on the elephant poop. Second choice giraffe poop though.
Now this is what?
Hippopotamus. Good. Good poo. Would you rank it higher than the elephant poo or below the
About the same.
About the same. I still prefer elephant poop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's I mean, they gave us a lot of poop. Didn't they?
So the next time you have the opportunity to try poop, give it a shot.
Give me the truth about how the poop was.
Tamarin Poo tasted like poop.
Imagine that.
What else did we have? Giraffe poop was good. It was, if you really want to know, it was just a brownie.
Don't tell him. It was real giraffe poop.
No!
Yes, it was. He's lying.
Okay, it was really good tasting poop then. But we had the tamarin was the only one bad. They have the four: the elephant, the hippo, the giraffe, and the tamarin. I didn't care for the tamarin. Everything else was good though. What do you think?
I agree. The tamarin had pretzels in it, and they were really mushy, which is probably how real poop is. I don't know.
I thought you said this was real poop. You're contradicting yourself now.
But everything else was good. It was all really dense, which I'm
Yeah,
just
we still
like
we didn't eat.
cracking up on the inside at all of these words that I'm using to describe poop that really is what poop is.
Yep.
And you probably cannot even hear me because I'm talking really low.
Scream!
But yeah, they're all really dense. But it's a cool concept. The shop just opened a few days ago. I think with the Starbucks, maybe. Don't yell at me if I'm wrong.
It's really loud over here.
It is really loud. I think it's all the people.
Crazy kids.
But it was really good, and it's a neat idea. So we were excited to come and try it, and yeah. So thanks, Disney, for having us come and try your animal poop.